होप यू आर हैविंग अ लवली डे और नवरात्रि की आप सभी को ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। अ वेरी हैप्पी नवरात्रि टू ऑल ऑफ यू और इस चैनल को इतना सारा प्यार देने के लिए थैंक यू सो मच एंड वेलकम टू माय नवरात्रि सीरीज। एक ऐसा सीरीज जहां पे होने वाला है बहुत सारे ब्यूटीफुल मेकअप लुक्स, आने वाले हैं कुछ गेस्ट यानी कि मेहमान इस चैनल पे और होने वाला है व्लॉग्स। तो ये सीरीज होने वाला है बहुत ही ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग, फन, हेल्पफुल एंड एंटरटेनिंग और आप बहुत एंजॉय करने वाले हो। सो सब्सक्राइब बटन पे क्लिक करना ना भूलें एंड बेल आइकन पे जरूर क्लिक करना सो दैट मैं जब भी कोई वीडियो अपलोड करूं तो आपको नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले मिल जाए और आप कोई भी मेरे वीडियोस मिस ना करो। सब्सक्राइब बटन एंड बेल आइकन पे क्लिक करना इम्पोर्टेंट है, मेक श्योर यू क्लिक ऑन देम। एंड इस सीरीज में आगे बढ़ने से पहले वन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूज, सिंस आई एम गोइंग टू डू डिफरेंट एंड ब्यूटीफुल मेकअप लुक्स फॉर द 9 डिफरेंट कलर्स ऑफ नवरात्रि। ये सीरीज चलने वाली है इन एडवांस, यानी कि जो भी डे का पर्टिकुलर कलर होगा, सपोज डे 1 इज व्हाइट, डे 2 इज रेड, तो उसका मेकअप वीडियो मिल जाएगा आपको एक दिन पहले। यस, आई एम गोइंग टू टेक दैट एफर्ट्स फॉर यू सो दैट वो मेकअप वीडियो आपके लिए हेल्पफुल हो, सो आपको पहले से पता हो कि आप नेक्स्ट डे के लिए कैसे मेकअप कर सकते हो और क्या एक्सेसरीज पहन सकते हो और क्या आउटफिट डिसाइड कर सकते हो। तो इसीलिए मैं सारे वीडियोस डालूंगी एक दिन पहले ऑफ द एक्चुअल डे। सो इन टुडेज वीडियो व्हिच इज गोइंग टू बी अ वेरी इजी मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल एंड आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू दिस गॉर्जियस ब्यूटीफुल मेकअप लुक फॉर डे 1, यानी कि जिस दिन माँ शैलपुत्री जी का दिन है और कलर है व्हाइट। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल एंड डोंट फॉरगेट all the products will be mentioned in the description box below, so make sure you check it out.
So firstly, I have prepped my face using a moisturizer and you can see a nice healthy glow on my face. I have used Pond's super lightweight gel moisturizer. Now this is an amazing non-sticky moisturizer and I have also mentioned it in my monthly favorites video of August. Moisturizer is very important and now we are ready to do some makeup. And we are back with this cute elephant clips which you might recognize from my soft pink makeup look video. So for foundation I'm using Maybelline's Fit Me foundation in the shade 220 and I'll be using only 2 pumps. It is more than enough to cover my entire face and to give a natural finish. So I'm picking up my favorite Bronson diamond shaped pink beauty blender and I'm going to pick a very small amount and will blend it properly on my face. This is the only rule that we are going to live by in all the makeup videos, is pick small amount and blend properly. And as you can see, it gives such a nice natural finish to my face. So आपको फाउंडेशन अच्छे से ब्लेंड कर लेना है in the dabbing motion. So quickly I'm going to finish the entire face. I'm going to apply a very thin layer of this foundation and never forget to blend the foundation a little bit in your hairline so that your entire face looks covered and even toned. And also very important, don't ever forget your neck. So we have achieved a really nice natural looking base. It is looking like my skin but so much better. Now it's time to conceal my dark circles and acne marks, जिसके लिए मैं यूज करने वाली हूँ मेरा ब्रह्मास्त्र यानी कि the Maybelline's Fit Me concealer in the shade 20 sand. So I'll start by applying a little bit on my dark circles, on my acne marks, bridge of my nose, on the forehead, basically all the points where I want to conceal and highlight my face a little bit. And इसे हम blend कर लेंगे चुटकियों में. Oh, oops, sorry. इसे हम blend कर लेंगे अच्छे से with the help of beauty blender. It has immediately concealed my dark circles and has given it a bright look, which I love. I've applied only a little bit of concealer to give my face enough coverage, but to also have a natural looking finish. So our base makeup is done and you can see we have achieved a really nice flawless looking base. Now to set this base makeup for the entire day, I'm going to use my another favorite product, Maybelline's Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade 20 light medium. Now you can see we have a little bit of powder and using a beauty blender, I'm going to pick some of it and I will apply it under my eyes. Now this step is called baking. ये वो केक बनाने वाला या फिर कपकेक वाला बेकिंग नहीं है. This is baking in makeup. एंड बेकिंग हम इसलिए करते हैं सो दैट हमारा बेस मेकअप यानी कि हमारा कंसीलर, फाउंडेशन अच्छे से सेट हो जाए एंड आवर डार्क सर्कल वोंट क्रीज. We will have a long lasting base makeup, and don't worry, we will dust off the extra powder at the end. Now it's time to do our eyebrows, for which I'm going to use a spoolie first, and I will brush my eyebrows in a desired shape. Now if you watch me from a really long time, you know that I have genetically a very defined eyebrows, so I'm only going to fill in the gaps using Miss Claire waterproof eyebrow pencil in the shade black. एंड एक्चुअली इसके पीछे एक स्पूली भी था बट वो मुझसे टूट गया, सो नेवर माइंड. सो क्विकली आई एम गोइंग टू फिल इन द गैप्स यूजिंग अ लाइट प्रेशर. आपको हल्के हाथों से सिर्फ गैप्स फिल करना है अपने आईब्रोज में. दैट्स इट. माय राइट आईब्रो लुक्स सो डिफाइंड एंड शार्प. So quickly I'll finish the other eyebrow as well. हल्के हाथों से करना है so that you will not have that shinchan or over dramatic kind of eyebrows. Now again going back to my spoolie, I'm going to brush my eyebrows to distribute the product evenly. ये step काफी important है, so eyebrow pencil use करने के बाद brush या spoolie use करना ना भूलें. And now it's time to do the eyeshadow, for which I'm going to use Swiss Beauty Ultimate 9 eyeshadow palette in the shade 4. I'm using this eyeshadow brush from Vega Beauty and I'm going to pick this light brown color for my base and will apply it on my eyelid. So remember, from start till the end, blend it nicely on your eyelid. And don't worry, I will link all the products in the description box below. And this will give a really nice base color for our eyeshadow. I'm going to pick this darker brown shade using the same brush and will apply it only on my outer corner. That's it. And now I'm using the darkest brown shade and I will pick a very small amount, only a little bit, and I'll apply it in a V motion on my outer corner. By this step, you will get a defined crease look. यानी कि जो आप eyes open करते हो, जो crease होता है, you will get a defined crease look and a lifted eye look. So इसीलिए मैं ये step कर रही हूँ और मैंने एक darker brown shade use किया है. Now as you can see, we have created a really nice transition from light brown to dark brown and have created a lifted eye look. So I'm going to finish the other eye with the same combination of browns. So as you can see, our base eyeshadow look is done and now it's time for lower lash line. So I'm going to use a thin brush from Vega Beauty and I'll pick the darker brown shade and I'll start blending it on my lower lash line. Now this will bring the natural depthness and it's a very important step to give your eyes a complete look. And now we are ready to our magical product, the product which I'm very excited to use. So for glitter eyeshadow I'm using Swiss Beauty Metallic Liquid Eyeshadows. Now मैंने ये Amazon से लिया था काफी टाइम पहले. It's a pack of 6 and today I'm using it in the shade Diamond Dust and this is such an amazing liquid eyeshadow. I mean, you will see in minutes, trust me. But let me do a swatch first and wow, look at that shine, that reflection, that glow. I love it. I'm a fan of this product. So we are going to apply it only on the center of the eye till the inner corner. That is the only region that we are going to cover. Now you can apply it directly from the tip, but I'm taking the help of a thin brush and will apply it from the inner corner till the center of the eye, blending it nicely. Look at that shine, it looks white, it looks glittery. It brings such a nice pop in your eyeshadow. So quickly I'm going to finish the other eye as well. I'll pick a small amount of the glitter shade and will apply it. And don't forget to apply it in the inner corners of your eye. Now we are not going to leave it like this. We are going back with the fluffy eyeshadow brush, picking up a dark brown shade and I'll apply it on the outer corner. Now by this step हम वो partition जो create हुआ है of glitter and matte eyeshadow उसको अच्छे से blend कर रहे हैं. And see that eye makeup, it's looking like we have spent good hours doing this eye look, but we have achieved it in few minutes. I mean, कोई बिलीव करेगा कि इतना इजी था ये ग्लिटर आई शेडो करना. Now it's time to do rest of the face and I'm starting with contouring. मैं काफी mild contouring करने वाली हूँ, for which I'm using a fluffy brush and this darker brown shade, and I'm going to give a defined look to my cheekbones and my jawline. So I'm applying it under my cheekbones in the upward motion. Now this will give you a nice sculpted look, blending it on the both sides and on my jawline, a little bit under the face, and you can see we have achieved a nice lifted face and sharper jawline. Now going back with the eyeshadow brush and using the same shade, I'm lightly going to contour my nose. Remember, pick a very small amount, blend it nicely to get a sharper structured nose. So our contouring is done. We have got a defined sculpted face, and now it's time to do blush. हम सबका favorite. So for blush, I'm using Blue Heaven Shimmer Matte Blush. It's in the shade 503. Now this is a beautiful coral shade, a perfect mix of pink and orange. Be careful, this product is very pigmented. And I'll apply it on the apple of my cheeks, blending it in the upward motion to get rosy, cute look. And काफी हल्के हाथों से blush लगाना है so that you don't go overboard. And I'm going to apply a little bit on the nose for that cute girl look. So our blush is done. We have beautiful rosy cheeks. So now it's time for mascara, but firstly I'm going to use Vega Premium Eyelash Curler. I'm looking straight and curling my lashes in between 3 to 4 times. Now this is an important step to keep your lashes curled for a really longer time. इससे डरना नहीं है and it's very easy to use. It is painless. So for mascara, I'm using Maybelline's Colossal Waterproof Mascara in black, so that आपकी गरबा नाइट में अगर बारिश भी हो जाती है तो ये जरूर टिका रहेगा. Don't worry. So before applying, I'm scraping off the excess product from the bristles and I'll apply it gently in the upward motion. आपको सिर्फ सीधा देखना है, इसे ऊपर की तरफ अप्लाई करना है on your lashes, and that's it. And don't forget your lower lash line. And you can literally see the difference. So I'll quickly do my other eye. And now it's time to be a glow baby. So for which I'm going to use, आप सब जानते ही हो, Maybelline's The City Mini Eyeshadow Palette, and using a fluffy brush, I'm going to pick this 3 shade. मैं तीनों ही shade mix कर लेती हूँ. And I'll apply it on the bridge of my nose, and wow, look at that shine. I love it. And I'm also applying it on the high points of my cheek. And we have got that beautiful healthy glow. As you can see, I can't do without highlighter. It's time for the last step, our beautiful lips. So for which I'm using Maybelline's Color Sensational Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Touch of Spice. मेरे बचपन का प्यार है ये लिपस्टिक, मुझे इतना पसंद है ये. It's a beautiful pink nude shade. And since हमने एक dramatic eye look किया है, it's safer to go with a nude shade. So I'm just dabbing it on my lips. But there you go, our makeup look is done. But wait. See you all with the final look. Some bindis and jhumkas that complete desi girl. And this is our final look. I'm so happy with this look. If you love it, please comment down below and let me know.
So this was it for the video. I hope आपको ये makeup look पसंद आया होगा. Don't forget to let me know in the comment section below. Make sure you follow me on Instagram because वहाँ आपको इस look के मिल जाएंगे pictures, reels, videos and so much more. If you liked this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit on that like button. And make sure you subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so that आप इस नवरात्रि सीरीज के कोई भी वीडियो मिस नहीं करो and you will be notified next time I upload any video. Don't forget to tell me your feedback of this video in the comment section below. I love to read them and thank you so much for watching. Bye.